Maray na aga, struggle is real nga sa paghahanap ng bahay dito sa Dubai. Kaya naman finally, nakahanap na kami at nakipag-close deal na din. After nga naming maibigay yung cheque, excited na din silang makita yung bahay. Dito nga pala sa Dubai ay cheque ang bayaran, hindi cash. Kaya dapat continuous ang income mo, kung hindi naku po lagot. Bali 2 weeks din kami mag-asawa naghanap ng bahay. Kaya pinakita na lang namin sa kanila nung final na. Nakapag-decide na kami mag-asawa, syempre considering din yung price at location. Madami kasing dapat i-consider lalo na pag may matanda at syempre yung mga anak namin. At syempre lalo na ang presyo kasi hindi naman masyadong bongga ang sahod namin. Considering utilities and other expense kaya kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng bongga. The reason why kaya kami napilitang lumipat is that tinaasan ang renta namin from 34 ginawang 48,000 dirhams per year. Pera pa ang parking, can you imagine? Kung i-convert mo sa peso is roughly 510,000 ginawang 720,000 pesos per year for 2-bedroom hall. Ganyan kamahal ang bahay dito kaya hindi mo masisisi yung iba na nagpa-partition or nag-sharing kasi ang mahal talaga. Ang kinuha naming bahay parehas lang dun sa bahay namin dati. 2-bedroom hall and 2 washroom. Ang kagandahan dito is nasa first floor lang kami. Hindi kasi kami pwede mag 1-bedroom hall lang kasi syempre gusto din namin may privacy yung mother-in-law ko. Nakakatuwa din kasi nung nakita niya yung kwarto niya, happy siya. At nagplano na siya kung saan niya ilalagay yung bed niya and then yung cover niya. Nakakatuwa. Yung room naman namin medyo malaki kesa sa kanya kaya dito namin ilalagay or i-stock yung mga gamit na hindi na masyadong importante. Kung mapapansin nyo, madumi pa yung bahay kasi kaalis lang nung dating tenant. After few days, i-hand over to sa amin ng malinis and repaired. I-apply pa din kasi yung sewa under my name so kaya it will take time.
What do you say? No.
Nung tinanong ko si Nathan kung gusto niya yung bahay, he said no. So, but eventually, he will also like it. Next time guys, I'll be showing you ang aming pag-iimpake sa madami naming gamit and paglipat namin dito sa aming bagong tahanan.
I will just show them the park now. Go, go, go. Park is there. See, it's windy actually. It's windy. Come on. Oh. Go see the park. Huh?
But we don't like this house.
Why?
Because like people,
They will clean it. They will give us clean. Come on, see the park is there. See children are biking. Wow. Nathan also will learn how to bike now. Nathan also will learn how to bike. Mommy also will bike now. Come on, you see though. See. Park is just there.
Please subscribe our small channel. It's a Filipino-Pakistani family vlog. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.